Where are you from?
Pakistan.
Ahlan. Or Imran Khan?
Imran Khan. You like Imran Khan?
I don't know much about him, that's why I'm asking.
यहाँ पे अभी चल रहा है प्रोटेस्ट फ्री पैलेस्टाइन का। यहाँ पे हर वक्त तकरीबन हर रोज़ ही आलमोस्ट फ्री पैलेस्टाइन के प्रोटेस्ट होते रहते हैं और पुलिस भी काफ़ी सपोर्ट करती है, पूरे रोड ब्लॉक कर देती है प्रोटेस्टर्स के लिए, उनकी सेफ्टी के लिए।
Of the genocide and apartheid in Palestine.
Free Palestine! For genocide! We won't pay for genocide!
अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अगली एंड ट्रैवलिंग। खुश आमदेद जी और बखैर अगले। मैं इस वक्त मौजूद हूँ टोरंटो के डाउनटाउन में यंग-डंडास स्क्वायर के पास। यहाँ पे अभी चल रहा है प्रोटेस्ट फ्री पैलेस्टाइन का। मैं आगे चल के आपको व्यूज़ दिखाता हूँ यहाँ के। यहाँ पे हर वक्त तकरीबन हर रोज़ ही आलमोस्ट फ्री पैलेस्टाइन के प्रोटेस्ट होते रहते हैं और पुलिस भी काफ़ी सपोर्ट करती है, पूरे रोड ब्लॉक कर देती है प्रोटेस्टर्स के लिए, उनकी सेफ्टी के लिए। अभी भी ये आप देख सकते हैं रोड ब्लॉक किया हुआ है और प्रोटेस्टर्स बाहर निकले हुए हैं यंग-डंडास स्क्वायर में। मैं आपको आगे चल के प्रोटेस्ट की व्यूज़ दिखाता हूँ, देखता हूँ कि क्या चल रहा है प्रोटेस्ट में और ये लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं। लेट्स सी।
They didn't just answer, they showed up. When we reached out to the students and the faculty members, they showed up. When we reached out to the Pan-African contingent, they showed up. When we reached out to the Latin American contingent, they showed up. Each one of you is proof that our movement is growing. That solidarity with Palestine is not just words, it is action. It is showing up in the freezing cold for our people back home. Look around you. Despite the ban, the repression, the silencing, the arrest, we are still here. We are the people that have held each other up through the rape, the arrest, the threat, the doxing, the smear campaigns, the suspension, the getting fired from work. We have held each other up. This is the power of our people. This is the strength. This is the strength of collective resistance. So shout out to every single one of you. Against the normalization of the genocide and apartheid in Palestine. We are building the foundation for a future for our liberation and the liberation of every single oppressed nation in this world. Our liberation, every single oppressed nation's liberation, is inevitable. From the river to the sea. From the river to the sea. Palestine is almost free. Palestine is almost free. From the river to the sea. From the river to the sea. Palestine is almost free. Palestine is almost free.
And right now we want to make sure everyone knows that this movement is not just a movement of Palestinians or Arabs or Muslims. Look around you. We have people from all backgrounds, people from all faiths, people from every corner of the earth who are coming out to support the Palestinian people in their struggle for liberation and return. Make some noise! The reason why we get all this support from different communities and sectors of society is not just because of the sympathy that people feel for the people of Palestine and Gaza. All of the support that we are garnering is because people are more aware than ever that the enemy of Palestine is the enemy of all oppressed people around the world, which is the U.S. empire and the imperialist system that supports it. So when we are calling for the destruction of imperialism and the dismantlement of Zionism, this is not only towards the Palestinian cause. The destruction of imperialism also goes towards oppressed peoples all over Latin America and Africa and Asia. We can see the U.S. empire. We can see the U.S. empire and how they're generating death and destruction in Sudan. We're seeing how they are funding opposition groups and militias in Sudan, making great strength and great profits at the cost of our people. Shame! We can see how the imperialist powers are subjugating and exploiting the people of Congo and for their aims of profit, using so-called artisanal miners so that they can continue to profit while the people of Congo suffer. Shame! So while we are here for Palestine, we are here for Lebanon, we are here for the Middle East, we must keep in mind that our struggles are interconnected.
Free, free Palestine! Free, free Palestine!
What we're talking about today. Today is the day of solidarity for Palestinian people. And this movement that was launched 1 year ago has activated the masses in every sector of society. And we must continue to build on that momentum. We must never let a day go by without organizing and talking about Palestine. And so our message to you, the masses, is this. We are calling on you to keep talking about Palestine with your friends and your family. Keep talking about Palestine in your workplaces, within your labor unions, within your student groups. We need to make sure that Palestine is affordable. We want to leave you with this. We are asking you all to please make sure that your own communities where you live are coming out. We must never let our momentum slow down because the people of Gaza depend on us to carry their voices. And the people of Gaza have been showing us what true steadfastness looks like. So we should never let the cult or the police or any repression hold us back. On that note, we want to invite you once more to please donate to our international fundraiser, The People Stand with Gaza. Through this fundraiser, we are aiming to accumulate $1 million to send to Gaza. So we have people right now, volunteers with donation boxes, If you have some cash on you and you're looking to donate, please come to the truck, and there are volunteers among you with donation boxes. I want to remind you that this is not charity. This is a political act that each and every one of you can make yourself an agent of change. So instead of spending your money on Black Friday deals, we are asking you to spend your money towards supporting the steadfastness of our people in Gaza. And for those of you who are looking to donate further, we are having a charity gala on December 14th, in which we are going to be collecting donations. You can please register to attend this gala by following us at BYM Toronto on Instagram. Please, we'd like to have all of you at our charity gala because all of us together can make a difference. Thank you all for coming out and make some noise for yourselves.
Charge you with genocide!
Thank you everyone for coming out today. We hope to see you again and again. We ask you all to please disperse. We need to make sure that we're keeping each other safe. If you need help getting towards your car or train station, we ask you all to not leave alone. If you need a companion, please ask any of the marshals in yellow vests, and they can help get you to your vehicle and to the train station. Again, please everyone, do not stay in the streets. Please move to the sidewalks and to the sides. We want to disperse and make sure that all of us are staying safe. Thank you.
ओके प्रोटेस्ट ख़त्म हो चुका है, आप देख सकते हैं सब लोग रोड खाली कर रहे हैं। रोड को ओपन कर दिया गया है जो ब्लॉक था। ये पुलिस भी खड़ी थी, इन्होंने काफ़ी हेल्प की। यहाँ पे काफ़ी सपोर्ट मिलता है गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से भी, प्रोटेस्टर्स को काफ़ी सिक्योरिटी मिलती है और प्रोटेस्टर्स भी मेक श्योर करते हैं कि सब कुछ पीसफुली हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम्स ना हो। तो आज का प्रोटेस्ट भी पीसफुली एंड हो गया यंग-डंडास स्क्वायर पर।
You guys have the exam too.
Not be pushed aside. How are you, brother?
Alhamdulillah, good,
Where are you
good.
from?
Pakistan.
Ahlan.
How about you? How are
Are you
you?
pro Amir Khan or Imran Khan?
Imran Khan, I like Imran
like-
Khan.
yeah?
You like Imran Khan?
I don't know much about him. That's why I'm
But
asking.
he supports, of course, the Palestinians. Yeah, all the Muslim Ummah, you know, he supports.
He does, eh?
Yeah, he does.
So why
a
is he
lot.
in jail?
It's corrupt policies, corrupt government, you know.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Yeah, likewise. Take care, bro. Enjoy. Bye-bye. Wa alaikum salam.
Like that thing,
Is it a full year course or just is it just the end of the course?
The end of the term. I'm going to teach it again next year.
No, but like for these students, are they finished? Is it a half year course or is it a full year? It's half year.
ओके तो मैं अपना व्लॉग यहाँ पर एंड करूँगा। आई होप आपको आज का व्लॉग पसंद आया होगा। प्रोटेस्ट का व्लॉग था, फ्री फ़लस्तीन का रैली थी जो यहाँ पर एंड हो गई। पता नहीं ये कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुई थी, मैंने अभी बस इसको कैप्चर किया है जब वो यंग-डंडास स्क्वायर तक पहुँचे ये लोग। तो इस तरह की रैलीज़ यहाँ पे काफ़ी होती रहती हैं। मैंने पहले भी इसकी काफ़ी सारी वीडियोस बनाई हैं इस रैली की, और मज़ीद भी बनाता जाऊँगा। जितनी रैलीज़ में मैं देखूँगा, कैप्चर करूँगा, उसको व्लॉग में बनाऊँगा। और ये भी मेरी आई थिंक 3rd और 4th वीडियो थी इस रैली की। अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आई हो तो प्लीज़ कमेंट करके अपना फीडबैक भी ज़रूर दीजिएगा। और अगर आप कुछ कहना चाहते हैं इस रैली के बारे में, फ्री फ़लस्तीन के बारे में, तो वो भी ज़रूर बताइएगा अपने कमेंट करके। इसी के साथ मुझे इजाज़त दें। इसी यंग-डंडास स्क्वायर पे फिर मैं मिलता हूँ। यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारी न्यू ईयर की, क्रिसमस की तैयारियां स्टार्ट हैं, उसकी भी मैं वीडियो आपको दिखाऊंगा नेक्स्ट आने वाले व्लॉग में। आप देख सकते हैं ये क्रिसमस ट्री इंस्टॉल हो चुका है, अभी इस पे काम चल रहा है। तो मेरे आने वाले व्लॉग्स में मैं यहाँ के मज़ीद व्लॉग्स बना के आपको दिखाऊंगा कि यंग-डंडास स्क्वायर में क्या चलता है क्रिसमस हॉलीडे फेस्टिवल सीज़न में। तब तक अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखें, अपने लिए नहीं तो उनके लिए जो आपके लिए अपना ख्याल रखते हैं। यल्ला बाय।
I can